Right, in this video we are going to show you how to replace the washer seal on the Saturn III gear drive. Process pretty simple, just takes a couple minutes here. First thing we'll want to do is just remove the top from the sprinkler, and then you can pull out the actual housing, or the actual body. This is the housing that will stay in the ground. So you'll see the wiper sill is up here at the top, and inside, tucked into these grooves, is sort of this hard plastic piece that's white. That you want to stay on the sprinkler, so you can use that to sort of depress the spring, and then gently pull on the wiper sill, and it should sort of break free there. You can take the new one, put it over the top, push that down, and release this slowly. That white plastic piece again should fit right into the grooves, and you're all set to go. Just put the lid back on, stick it back in its case, screw that down, and you're ready. So that's how you replace the wiper sill on those. It can provide a better leak-free performance if you're noticing that your sprinklers are leaking. So if you have any questions, please let us know in the comments below, and we would be happy to help. Thanks.